Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what is a password. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a password? A password is a secret word or string of characters that is used for authentication, typically to gain access to a system, application, or online account. Passwords plays a crucial role in securing digital information and protecting user accounts from unauthorized access. Here are some key points about passwords. Number 1, authentication. Passwords are a form of authentication, verifying that the person trying to access a system or account is the legitimate user. Number 2, security. A strong password is designed to be difficult for others to guess or crack through various means such as brute force attacks or dictionary attacks. Number 3, access control. Passwords are commonly used in combination with usernames or user IDs to grant access to specific individuals while denying access to unauthorized users. Number 4, best practices. To enhance security, it's recommended to use complex passwords that is include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Additionally, it's important not to reuse passwords across multiple accounts. Number 5, multi-factor authentication or MFA. In addition to passwords, many systems and services now support multi-factor authentication, which requires users to provide additional verification such as code sent to a mobile device along with the password. Number 8, password management. Given the challenge of remembering numerous complex passwords, users often use password managers to securely store and generate strong, unique passwords for each account. It's crucial to treat passwords responsibly and follow best practices for password security to minimize the risk of unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. Regularly updating passwords and being cautious about sharing them are important aspects of maintaining digital security. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is password is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.